Hi there and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Raluca. In this video I'm going to show you how I did this purple smoked wing liner. I did a lot of videos in the past, but I kept using pencils and I know a lot of you found using pencils a little bit too tricky. So today I just use eyeshadows. I really like how it extends my eye, it lifts the outer corner, and if you want to see how I did it, then just keep on watching. First I'm going to prime my eyelids as usual and I'm going to use the Too Faced Shadow Insurance. I need today's eyeshadow to last for more than 12 hours. This is the one if you want your eyeshadow to be really long lasting. And I'm going to blend it with my fingers. I already have a little bit of foundation on my skin, but I didn't apply concealer and everything else because I might get a little bit of fallout. For today's look I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Amethyst Obsessions palette. It's purple and it's beautiful. Okay, to start the eyeshadow look I'm going to take a Morphe M507 brush, which is a small blending brush and slightly pointy at the end, and I'm going to pick up this shade in the corner, dust off the excess, and apply this on my other corner. I'm keeping my eyes open so I can see what I'm doing, especially if you have hooded eyes, you want to keep your eyes open, but not only. And now applying it in my other corner, kind of extending my eye with it. Imagine you're doing a wing liner with this shadow. And then when I lay down the pigment, I will use whatever is left on my brush to blend the shadow a little bit. Blend it towards the center of my eye and also above where you applied it, and slightly extending it into the other corner. Picking up a little bit more to intensify. And again extending it into the other corner. I did this eye off camera. Next I'm going to pick up this darkest shade of the palette with an angled eyeliner brush. This is a Juvia's Place 003 Precision Eyebrow brush. Taking the shadow, dusting up the excess, and again I will keep my eyes open, look ahead, eyes relaxed, and I'm going to just draw a wing liner. So starting from the corner of my eye, you want to keep your eyes open and your eyelids relaxed because you're going to have to go over your creasing. Basically this is how you do a wing liner on a hooded eye. As you can see, I'm going over, I have a folding here and I'm just going over it. I'm stamping the color. I'm being very gentle with my brush. I'll pick up a little bit more of that shade and gently go along my lash line. Now with my previous brush I'm picking up a little bit more of this shade, the first one that I used, and I'm going to use it to blend. So basically placing it above the darkest shade and blending by gently moving my brush left and right. I'm really not applying a lot of pressure on the brush, I'm being very gentle. Picked up some more of that shade and continue to blend. And I'll intensify the darkest shade by picking it up again. And just stamp it here where my eyeliner starts. Basically here in the bottom part you want the most intensity of the color. If you find yourself struggling with this technique, you can always use some scotch tape to help you, to guide you, let's say. I'll finish off the eyeshadow by applying this shimmer on the lid. I did apply it here. And I'm going to use a flat brush, a Morphe M124. Picking up the shade. This is a beautiful duochrome shade. I'm just stamping this where I didn't apply any shadow. And with the little blending brush, I'm picking up this shade again, the first shade, and going over this edge to blend the shimmer into the mattes. I'll finish up the face makeup off camera and then I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I'm going to do something on my lower lash line as well. At first I wanted to keep the look like this, but I don't know, I kind of want to add something on the lower lash line. So I'm taking the same brush with the same shadow and dusting this shadow all over my lower lash line. And with that angled brush I'm going to pick up some more of this dark shade And I'll kind of continue the wing liner into my lower lash line, just in my outer corner. Next I will highlight my inner corner and my brow bone, and I'm going to use the NYX Born To Glow palette, and I'm going to pick up this shade here on a small detailed brush like this. And I'm going to stamp this shade in my inner corner and underneath the arch of my brow. I will do a little bit of an inner corner wing, and I'm going to take a detailed brush like this, a slightly pointier one, and I'm going to pick up this dark shadow. I'm continuing the shape of my eye. I'm just going to do a tiny wing here, using the tip of my brush. And to finish everything off, I'm going to add a little bit of fairy dust. This is the Fenty Diamond Bomb, and it's just a really fine glitter. And I'm just going to add it with my finger all over my eyelids. I also added it on my face. I really love this product. It looks beautiful on the chest as well. Next I'm adding a little bit of my Benefit The Real Magnet mascara. I will also add some outer corner lashes, but I need my lashes to be long since my falsies are going to be just in the outer corner. And if my lashes are long, they will blend beautifully with the false ones. And a little bit on my lower lashes. I have already applied the glue on my half lash. This is just a band that I cut in half, and I'll apply it just in my outer corner. And just like that, it lifts my outer corner and extends my eye a little bit. For my lips, I will contour them with a little bit of NYX matte lip liner in the shade Toulouse, and I will overline in the center. And I will go over my cupid's bow. And I will fill it in a little bit, because I'm just going to apply some gloss. And I'll apply a little bit of my Sephora collection gloss in the shade Lover. And this is the finished look. I really hope you like how it came out. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up down below and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. Don't you love how everything just matches? My nails, eye look, earrings, background. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you're having an amazing day, and I hope I'll see you in my next video. Bye!